the SpaceWalk M6. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the SpaceWalk M6 electric bike. Here's a look at how the bike comes in when it's delivered. It's packaged well with a lot of foam protecting it. Assembly is required and the user guide walks you through the process. Inside, it comes with a charger, user guide, tools, front headlights, pedals, and the front wheel skewer. So here's the bike fully assembled. The assembly process was pretty straightforward and the user manual walks you through it. Basically, you have to install the handlebars, install the front lights, install the front wheel, and then install the pedals. Going over some specs, this comes in two colors, black and orange. It has a 750 watt rear motor, 48 volt 15 amp hour lithium battery, 50 mile range, 21.7 mile per hour top speed, 16 by 4 inch tires, 3 pedal assist levels and a twist throttle, Shimano 7-speed, LCD display, mechanical disc brakes, front and rear lights, front and rear suspensions. It weighs in at 72 pounds and has a max load of 264 pounds. The recommended rider height is 5'1" to 6'2". I'll walk through around the bike. You'll see that the front has a front light, front suspensions, 16 by 4 inch tires, and mechanical disc brakes. Towards the middle and the back, you have the battery keyhole, charging port, the battery, kickstand, mechanical disc brakes, rear suspensions, and rear light. On the other side, you have the 750 watt motor, 7-speed cassette, and rear derailleur. The handlebar area, you have the brake levers, controls, LCD display, gear shifter, and twist throttle. So to turn on the bike, make sure that the switch on the battery is in the on position, and then just hold down the mode button for a few seconds. And then you can see it has a nice large bright display. Pressing the mode button will cycle through the odometer, trip, current, and time. Pressing the up button will increase the pedal assist. There's 3 levels, 1, 2, and 3, and pressing the down button will decrease it. On the left side here, you have the on and off switch for the light. So putting in the on position, we'll turn on the front light along with the rear light. You also have a turn signal. Here's a switch and an electronic horn. And then turning on the turn signal. That's how it looks. And then pressing the brakes, it will also light up. Now I'll show some footage of the bike in use. I'll test it out on rough terrain, show the different pedal assist levels, throttle, test the brakes, see how it does uphill, downhill, and then give my thoughts. Now I'm going to do the rough terrain test. I'm going to take it down this trail. It's pretty bumpy and there's gravel on the side. The bike does have the fat tires along with the front and rear suspensions. So let's see how it does. Okay, here we go, rough terrain test. All right, so far so good. The gravel here, handling the bumps very well. All right, now onto the speed test. The bike does have the pedal assist levels. There's 3 levels, and it also has the twist throttle. I'm going to start off with the pedal assist, see how fast each level goes, and then we'll do the twist throttle. All right, pedal assist 1, here we go. Nine miles an hour on pedal assist 1. Moving to 2. Feel a slight pickup there. About 12 miles an hour. And 3. Here we go with Definitely feel more power there. We're at 21. Looks like we're maxing out at about 21.6 miles per hour. All right, with the pedal assist, we reached 21.6 miles per hour. Now we're just gonna use the twist throttle and see how fast we can go. All right, here we go. You have a nice, smooth, gradual acceleration. We're up to 17 miles per hour now. (20), 21. So it looks like 21.6, the same as the pedal assist. So 21.6 with the twist throttle.
Now I'll test out the brakes. I'll take it to max speed, and once I come into view, I'll hit the brakes and you can use the parking lines as reference.
All right, now let's test it out on the incline. I'm gonna take it up this road. We saw that with the twist throttle, it hit 21.6 miles per hour. So let's see if it can maintain that speed as we go up the hill or if we lose speed. All right, here we go, uphill test. The motor is very quiet as you accelerate. We're beginning the climb at about 21 miles per hour. Losing a little bit of speed here. We're down to about 18.9. Not too bad, but it's powering through. A little bit of a downhill into the turn. All right, so with the uphill test, we began to climb at 21 miles per hour. As we were going up, we lost a little bit of speed down to about 18, but it had plenty of power and it made it. So now we're gonna do the downhill test. Let's see how it handles. All right, here we go. I'm probably just gonna have to slow it down as we approach that bottom part there. All right, we're up to 21.6. I'm just gonna let it glide into this turn. Very smooth. No rattles, no vibrations, no noises. Steering is very stable here. Very comfortable ride. The seat is nice and soft. It's got that banana style, so it's long. So 21.6.
Here are my thoughts on the bike. The assembly process was straightforward as it comes 90% completed. I didn't run into any issues. The paint is a matte finish and there were no imperfections during the shipping process. I like that it comes with the lights, but would have liked to have seen some front and rear fenders. The bike feels solid. The frame is on the smaller side, so for tall riders, this might not be ideal. I'm about 5'10", and I think that's about close to the max height until it starts to become uncomfortable. The cables were well organized. The saddle is long and wide and very comfortable, and had no issues during longer rides. The handlebars are a good length. The steering felt stable and tight, no rattles or vibrations. It handled the rough surfaces very well, as this has the front and rear suspensions along with the fat tires. The 750 watt motor was plentiful. It was able to handle the inclines with minimal speed loss and maintained about 18.9 miles per hour. With pedal assist, I reached 21.6 miles per hour along with the twist throttle. This has an advertised max speed of 21.7 miles per hour and a range of up to 50 miles. But that will depend on the throttle usage, your pedal assist level, weight, and environment that you're in. I did find myself using the throttle most of the time. Since the saddle sits lower, you don't have the full leg extension when pedaling. The mechanical brakes had good stopping power and they grabbed on quick. The display is large and intuitive, easy to read, and it doesn't get washed out on bright sunny days. Nice to see at this price point. Overall, the bike was fun to ride. It had plenty of power for its small size and handled well. It comes with the lights, front and rear suspensions. Most of the accessories you see typically on higher priced bikes. But this one, in my opinion, has good value. So that is my review of the SpaceWalk M6 electric bike. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.